Are you looking for a smarter, faster, and more profitable way to clean car? Introducing the fully automatic car wash system by Go&Go, a cutting-edge solution designed to meet the real need of modern car wash businesses, especially in Southeast Asia. If you have idle capital, are an investor, a car garage owner, or someone looking for a modern business model to start a venture, then opening a professional automatic car wash shop like this is a very worthwhile option for your consideration. Go&Go's automatic car wash system isn't just another imported machine. It's a solution tailored for Southeast Asia road, where mud, red soil, and rain are everyday challenges. Developed and fine-tuned based on real-world feedback from Vietnam and other markets. This machine delivers durable performance in touch environment. With years of experience in the car care industry, Go&Go has created not only a high-performing machine but also a business ecosystem. From installation support to consultation on service model and even professional training center for car care service. Let's talk about performance. This automatic system can wash car take just 7 to 8 minutes per vehicle, depending on size. It's equipped with high-pressure water jet to blast away mud and debris, gentle rotating brush for safe contact washing, foam and chemical system for deep cleaning, optional feature like undercarriage wash, wheel cleaning brush, and air drying system. A built-in digital counter track how many cars are washed daily, helping you monitor usage and performance in real time. And the operating cost, electricity, water, and chemical come to just 50 to 60 cents per car, while service price range from $4 to $5, depending on your local market. Let's do the math. Say you wash 30 cars a day, charging $4 per vehicle. That's $120 in daily revenue, on nearly $3,600 per month, with extremely low labor and material costs. Now, imagine if you combine it with other services like interior cleaning, engine bay detailing, ceramic coating or nano spray, car accessory or café service. You're not just opening a car wash, you're building a one-stop automotive service center. Go&Go also help you with layout planning, model consultation, and even training your staff. You don't need prior experience, just the right location and the will to grow. To get started, you'll need a location of at least 250 square meter with a frontage of 10 meter or more, a power source of 380 volt, 3-phase electricity, ideally near a market, supermarket, residential area, or busy roadside. The machine is manufactured and tested in Ho Chi Minh City, and you are welcome to visit our factory, see the demo, and sign a direct contract. Delivery time is under 50 days from order confirmation. Buying a machine is just the beginning. Go&Go offer full installation support, operation training, access to our professional detailing training center, and long-term maintenance and business consultation. We're here to help you succeed, not just to sell a machine. Contact us today to book a factory visit or request a consultation. Let's build your car wash business the smart way.